Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Summer. My voice is a bit different because I'm just waking up and I want to get this video out of the way. So recently, a lot of you have seen videos where I do cooking and, giving to people on the street. So one subscriber reached out and said she wanted us to go to a community and cook there and share there. So we cook at home and just put them already in the takeaway packs, like they call them, the Tupperwares, and give away. But she was like, oh, she would like us to go there, cook it there and share it there. So we did it in this video. I'm going to let you guys watch it, and basically you just see the amount of joy and happiness that this brought into the lives of these people on that day. Thank you to the subscriber that sent this money for us to cook for these people. It's big.
Tomato and pepper.
If you're coming across me for the first time and you do not know, my name is Summer Aku, and this is my YouTube channel. I'm a Nigerian that lived abroad for many years and visited Nigeria for the first time in a long time and fell in love with Nigeria and shared my Japada story. And as we speak, I now own a Shortlet and I'm very close to the airport. If you're coming into Nigeria, you need somewhere to stay, contact me, the number on the screen. If you want to stay in my Shortlet, it's going to be the cleanest Shortlet you've ever been in. I'm not bragging, it's a statement of fact. There are people that have booked me. They actually have houses in Lagos, but when they landed, maybe it's 11 at night or 12 at night or too late at night, they don't want to go home that night. They want to stay in my Shortlet because I'm close to the airport, and then they go home in the morning. You understand? So we actually also help people to organize airport pickups. And why that is good is this: the fact that I know who I sent to go pick you up. I wouldn't send someone that I do not trust, you understand, or someone that I feel like is not traceable. So this is the estate where my Shortlet is. Guys, I'm telling you guys, especially Nigerians abroad that have this terrible image of Nigeria. Not all, some people. So when some of them have come to stay in my Shortlet, they are like, wow. They are like, this will even fly past abroad. You understand? So it's important. Not just choose any Shortlet. Make sure you choose a Shortlet in a nice neighborhood, in a safe neighborhood, in a clean neighborhood. No all this lousy, noisy neighborhood. Very peaceful neighborhood. In this estate, you can go for a walk even at night if you want, because it is that safe. There are actually a lot of foreigners that stay in this estate, and you see them walking around comfortably. Contact our WhatsApp number now to book.
It's all about yes.
Not true.
Not true now.
I know you. But no man, the chicken stock now be sweetness.
Yes.
You know.
But this one that we have now, one I have.
Oh, yeah, move with it. You see what happened?
Let me see this one.
No. People, children.
Are you okay?
Look.
This is a beautiful fried meat.
Freshly butchered. It was butchered today. The poor cow has to die so that we can enjoy. The cow sacrificed its life.
Yes.
They eat as also. Two of them two different colors.
Which one is
Can you imagine?
different. Imagine bitter leaf. Ma,
Thank you. Now you use mouth. Now you use mouth, talker. Eh? Yeah, your mouth, now, person. You don't prophesy already. When you have your don't prophesy, I go fall inside gutter. That's what she talk. Amen. Oh, good dear. Koti Gino Dada. Oh, good dear. Elle est pas là. Elle est pas là. Yes, ma. Elle m'a peur. Oh, m'attend. Check for beef stuff. And why camera woman? Oh, don't lose this job now. No. Beef stuff. Inside they put herself inside. I have a weight loss program in case you're coming across this and you want to sign up. I'm going to put the link in the description box and in the comment section, and if you want to Google it, it's summerhealthyweightloss.com, because it's not just about losing weight but losing it in a healthy way. It's important. Be careful. I've been saying it. I've been doing this disclaimer. If you do not have the discipline to stop when you reach the ideal weight, please do not do it, because you're going to lose too much weight. You don't have to starve. You don't have to go to the gym. It will blow your mind. So it's summerhealthyweightloss.com. That is my website. I don't even ask you what you said. Ikorodu, you know you. Ikorodu, you know something like Pepsi and Sprite, 7
Beat their children.
I'm in Nigeria, I don't do that. Hey! Here is the winner. Yay! Well done, everybody. Who is the winner? If I join them, I follow win money. Are you excited? Yeah. Come back, stop of the gas. Hey, come on now. Yeah, that's why I said she should bring the one at the bottom up, and the ones at the up goes down.
Oh my shit, oh my baby,
Now listening to an official Oh So City mix.
Wait. If you don't call her, I don't give you. Hello.
Why not collect meat?
Until they knock that meat down, we go talk about that. This side, because they disturb. Where is your sister? Let her come and collect. She did not put anything back here. This is clean food for people to eat. Go collect meat.
If you don't eat that one, you love her.
I have to cut it.
No. I don't want to cooler into cooler into the cooler into cooler into I been give me that cooler. I need knife. I tell you about that. Outside that, I tell you about that when have you collected meat? Meat. You beating it. Only one. Thank you, ma'am. Come here, Angela. Give me.
Mom glove. Mom glove.
The message somebody wants me. Thank you, ma'am. You're welcome. Hey, there for one cover. Oh yeah, Angela. The boss is back. Oh yeah, get up. I say, oh. Meat is here.
The meat is here. My own, Abby?
No, it's for you.
Okay. Yeah, Friday. No. Thank you.
Amen.
I'm coming.
Who gave me the never blessed?
Baba, would you do that?
I beg keep.
Precious, you don't collect my rice.
Oh yeah, walk back.
Since I never chop this one, I dey wait for this rice.
You dey cook.
No, I don't move it.
Leave that place. If you are collected, leave that place.
Thank you.
Ma? Okay. Yeah.
This kitchen. No one.
Bye-bye. Hey, is that food inside?
This is your container. Mama, I want you to come here. I don't go